In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a folder from your PC to OneDrive, guiding you through this process to ensure your files are safely uploaded and easily accessible from anywhere. Now let's dive straight in. First, to get started, you'll want to head over to OneDrive. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in the URL onedrive.live.com. This will take you directly to the OneDrive sign-in page if you're not already logged in. Simply enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the OneDrive homepage, which should look familiar if you've used it before. Now at the top of the OneDrive interface, you'll notice an upload button. This is your key to adding new files or folders to your cloud storage. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. The menu gives you a couple of choices, such as uploading individual files or whole folders. For our purposes today, you'll want to click on Folder Upload. Choosing this option is crucial because it signifies to OneDrive that we intend to upload an entire directory, not just single files one by one. Once you've selected Folder Upload, a new window will pop up, allowing you to browse through the files and folders on your PC. Take your time here to navigate through the directories and find the exact folder you want to upload to OneDrive. Click on the desired folder to select it. Now, with the folder highlighted, simply confirm your choice by clicking Select Folder or a similar button, depending on your operating system. This action will start the upload process. At this stage, you'll see a progress bar at the top of your OneDrive screen. This bar gives you a real-time update on how the upload is proceeding. Larger folders with more files naturally take a bit longer to upload, so be patient as OneDrive transfers your data. Keep an eye on this progress bar. It will move to a certain percentage, indicating how far along the upload process is. Finally, when the upload is finished, you'll see a green check mark appear on the screen. This check mark is your confirmation that the folder has been successfully uploaded to OneDrive. Congratulations, your files are now stored securely in the cloud. You can access them from any device, anywhere, at any time. It's always good practice to double check by locating the folder in your OneDrive directory just to ensure everything is where it should be. And that's it. You've successfully moved a folder from your PC to OneDrive. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your files are securely backed up in the cloud. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need a refresher on uploading to OneDrive.